Welcome to the world of Bangalore Watch Company. If you've just purchased your Mark 1 watch, congratulations. Today, I will walk you through the function, care, and maintenance of your Mark 1 automatic watch. The Mark 1 automatic comes with a Swiss Salita movement. It has 3 hands for time telling. There is a date window at the 6 o'clock position. The Mark 1 comes with a simple push and pull crown. This crown has 3 positions. The first position is when the crown is pushed all the way to the body of the case. And the third position is when the crown is pulled all the way away from the body of the case. To set the time, follow these 3 simple steps. First, pull the crown to the third position. You will hear a distinct click at every position. In the third position, turn the crown counterclockwise. When you turn the crown counterclockwise, the hands on the watch will move clockwise. Now set the time on the watch to your local time. Your time is now set. Second step of time setting is pushing the crown back into the second position. In the second position, turn the crown clockwise and you will notice the date changing. Turn the crown until the date is set to your local date. When you're done, push the crown back to the first position and wind it clockwise about 20 times. By doing this, you're adding power to the watch. When you've wound the crown about 20 times, you're all set to go and your watch is ready to be worn. Now keep in mind that the date change of your Mark 1 automatically kicks in once every 24 hours when the hour hand passes through midnight. We recommend that you do not manually change the date on your watch between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. when the auto date switch is engaged. Once the time of your watch is set and the watch is fully wound, the watch will go on for 38 hours. You can extend the functioning time of the watch by either continuously wearing the watch on your wrist or by simply winding the crown if the watch happens to stop when it runs out of power. Automatic watches have over 100 moving parts. Because of the micromechanics involved, there is a risk of exposure to strong magnetic fields. Now, magnetic fields are all around us today, in televisions, smart home speakers, and they affect the timekeeping of our watches. We recommend that you keep your watch away from any of these devices at home or at work. Your Mark 1 watch is built for 100 meters of water tightness rating. The water tightness is dependent on the integrity of gaskets present inside the crown, between the crystal and in your case back. Now 100 meters is fit for a swim or a shower, but remember that hot showers or pool chlorine will have a tendency to damage the integrity of the gaskets and that will affect the water tightness rating of your watch. Anytime that you enter water, remember to always keep the crown locked for guaranteed water tightness. The use of hand sanitizers has increased in the past 2 years after the coronavirus pandemic. We've noticed at times there is deterioration of caseback enamel painting or stains on the sapphire crystal because of hand wash liquids and hand sanitizers. If you're wearing any watch while using chemical sanitizers, it is best to use a dry paper towel and wipe off any residue on the watch immediately. An automatic watch is just like your car. It needs to be serviced periodically. Our recommended service interval for your Mark 1 watch is once every 4 years and perhaps once every 2 years if you wear your watch every day as your daily driver. When it is time for a general service, give us a call, book an appointment for a service, and enjoy your Mach 1 for the next few years.